fuel them up, Raymond, fuel them up. Raymond, fuel them up, Raymond, fuel them up. Benny's in 3 with the 9.524. Brandon in the 4 with 9.527. Mark in the 9.532. Naeem in the 5th with 8.503. Marco in the 7 with an 8.517. Then Carlos in the 8th. Two with a 9.514. Keyword 3 with 9.522. Mark, keyword going at it. Mark up his response now. It's 9.519. Keyword in the 4th, 9.522. Brandon in the 5, 9.533.5. Naeem in 6. 8.501. Marco in 7 with 8.504. Carlos in the 8 with 8.535. Still Benny on front, 9.506. Reed in 2 with the 9.512. Market 3 is 9.515. Keyword in the 4 is 5.22. Reed in the 5 is 9.533. Marco in the 6 9.536. Brandon and Carlos. All right, we're about 4 down, 4 to go. Or 4 down, 1 to go. 4 down, 1 to go. Your first round TK by Mark Broderick. That was a 9.5.39. Benny right now is close to a 10-lap pace. He's on a 9.502. Just ran his hot lap last time. If he can run some more of those, he might be able to get himself onto a 10-lap pace. But then it's going to be Mark Broderick and Reed Frame both right now at a 9.514. That's going to be Naive, Eward, Marco, Brandon, and Carlos.
30 seconds left.
Benny coming by the line, 31.64. Benny Camarian, he is on a 9.5 flat. Let's see if he can get another 31 in here as he is coming through the center straight into the left-hander. Going up the hill. We'll see if he can